What time is it? Hey, let's learn about the clock in Hebrew so that we can schedule appointments. During the first half of the hour, we say the hour and then the minutes. For example, 3:20, 5:05, 2:25. You can do this also for the second half of the hour. For example, 7:48. However, in spoken Hebrew, like in English, you can also say the number of minutes left in the hour and then the next hour. For example, 20:8, 20:08, 10:05, 10:05, and so on. The hour can also be divided into quarters. This is also common in spoken Hebrew. For example, we would say 3:15, 3:15. Please note that the Hebrew is actually saying 3:15. If we want to say 8:45, we would say 8:45. And we can also use the half hours. 2:30, 2:30. The Hebrew is really saying 2:30. So now that we understand the numbers a bit better, let me tell you about the order of my morning. I get up at 6:15 in the morning. I exercise for a chatzi sha'ah. At 6:45, I eat breakfast until about 7:20. At 8:05, I get on the train to go to work. And at 9:25, I'm already sitting at my desk. What do I do at work? I write interesting things to help you learn Hebrew.